If you want to take screenshot without buttons on a Motorola Moto G56, then we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. So for example, you can go to the control center over here, and then you should be able to find the screenshot button somewhere over here in the control center. So if you tap on it, the control center will hide and the phone will take the full screenshot. Besides that, if you have an app opened, you should be able to go to the background apps and you can find the screenshot button below the preview, so you can use it in order to take the screenshot of the app. There is also the 3-finger gesture. We're gonna go to settings and open gestures in order to find 3-finger screenshot, and if it's enabled, then you can just hold 3 fingers on the screen like this, just touch with 3 fingers, and then you should be able to capture the screenshot. Last but not least, we can also open settings again, and in gestures you can go to quick launch in order to find the tap back gesture, which can be set up to take a screenshot. So if the quick launch option is enabled, and if you go to settings and set it to take screenshot, then you should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to take the screenshot. Usually I tap somewhere over here, and we need to tap twice. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.